Today is February 21st, and here we are again doing what?
Ryan.
Yes, and we're doing this for your...
Ryan video.
No, you're doing it for your birthday countdown. So we're doing a real quick one before bedtime.
Bedtime.
Alrighty, you ready?
Yeah, let's go for this one over here.
Okie dokies.
Oh, that one's a tough one.
You got it?
Yes, it took a while.
Took a second, right?
I have another glass.
It's a Gus.
Who
Ooh.
likes gummy worms?
He likes gummy worms?
Yeah.
Coolio.
Okay, wait. What state does he represent?
I know. I have our little sheet here. And we're going to figure out where he represents. Can you show your Pacers your new Gus? Hold it up.
Don't look at the t-shirt. Do not look at the t-shirt name.
Cool. Bring it closer. Cool. All right. Let me check it out.
Don't look at the t-shirt name. Okay.
Ooh. He represents the Sunshine State of Florida. Woo-hoo. What's in Florida? Walt. Yeah, Walt Disney World. Hopefully we'll get to go there in 2022, right? Alrighty, so do you like your new Gus?
Yeah.
Yes? Alrighty. Okay, Pacers, it's time for Pacie's bedtime.
Thank you everyone for watching the video. Bye bye.